Yo, what up mga pre? Random video muna. September na pala par. First day of September pre. And kanina upload ko lang rin ng last video that I did. And yeah, it's been a lot. I mean, thankful ako sa August. Dami ko rin na-realize pre. Dami kong nagawa. This August 2024 is a breakthrough. A breakthrough on my personal life. I started uploading things na dati inisip ko lang, what if gagawa ko ng ganito? What if I'll record something and upload it in the way that I wanted? Hindi na tayo pre. Ang galing lang kasi, I don't know pre. Sobrang dami nangyari sa akin before coming to this point that sinabi ko sa sarili ko na, sige, we'll start this even though nangangapa pre. Alam mo yun pre, willpower lang yung talaga yung nagtatakbo sa atin. Nakakatawa yung ganong pangyayari kasi started recording these talks. I also started venturing sa business pre, and I think nagkaroon din talaga ako dito ng alam mo yun pre, stepping outside that comfort zone, and galing. Thankful ako sa mga taong tumulong sa akin right here pre, yung mga kaibigan that helped me and inspired me to be here and challenged me pre to become a better person pre. I'm still learning pre, I know that, and dami tayong gagawin, marami pa tayong mistakes that we'll definitely make someday, pero one thing I know pre, I want to overcome those things, and this hunger pre, I will use this hunger para sabihin ko one day sa sarili ko na nagawa ko yun. Kung nakikinig ka ngayon and you have that great idea on your head, on your mind pre, na talagang you are holding on to, pero na-hold back ka ng mga idea na, ay, wala pa akong ganito kaya I can start. Ganun din ako pre, even though I've heard it many times pre. And isa-cite ko na lang rin yung sinabi ni Will Dasovich na, if you want to be a photographer or a videographer, the best camera pre is the camera that you have. And ang tagal nag-circulate ng bagay na sa akin pre, na oo nga no, the best tool that you need, the best thing na kinakailangan mo pre to start your journey is the thing that you have and the things na naabot ng kamay mo pre. I hope these words pre will touch up your heart, that yun pre, kung anong meron, kung anong nasa iyo ngayon, use that pre. And I believe pre, na dadating ka rin sa point na sabi mo, oo nga no, ito na yun. And August, super thankful for that August that happened to me. Hope we have a good life. I hope all the best for you this time in your life. Yo, it's your boy, CCM ni Pedro pre, na nagsasabi sa'yo pre na tara, umpisahan na natin yan. Love you.